Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find the Wednesday Addams video templates on CapCut. So if you are on TikTok, you can see that now there is a trending of the Wednesday Addams videos everywhere in TikTok, especially the one where she is dancing. And if you want to make your own video of that, you can just go to the CapCut and then go to template tab, and then click on the search column, and then you can just type in the keyword Wednesday Addams. So here you can see there are so many templates that you can choose and use for this edit. For example, I want to use the first one, so you can just add your own video of you dancing, or of your of your photos. For example, this one only needs one clip. So for example, I want to add use this template and add my own video. Okay, I'm going to click on next after picking a video, and now the video will be created with the infamous song of this dance. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and importantly, don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.